We ask, how can it be that one shechted? And then he checks the knives, and the knife is pasul, and yet one can eat from that shchita. The answer is based on the Rambam. In Hilchos Ma'achalos Asurois, Perek Hey, Halacha Yud Daled, the Rambam writes, there's a halacha of Ben Pekua. What is a Ben Pekua? Behema that was shechted, inside there was a baby, up to 8 months old, you don't need to shecht it. Up to 9 months old, you don't need to shecht it unless it stands on the karka. If it stands on the ground, it needs to be shechted. The reason is because of maris or ayin. People won't say, wow, you eat without shechting and therefore you have to shecht. It says the Magid Mishneh over there. He brings from the Rashba that a ben pekua like this, that the only reason we're shechting it is only because of maris ayin. What will people say? Really, he's already as if slaughtered in our eyes. But we have to shecht it because of maris ayin, in case you shechted an animal like that. And later you found that the knife was pagum, it was pasul. There is no problem and one can eat from that animal.